a little more of a longer play like that would be more like a points related system. So, I'm an American Airlines. I almost fly exclusively American Airlines. And I get a lot of miles flying American Airlines, and that loyalty is warrant them a lot of business, and you too. That's right. And so, you can do the same thing with a card system. You can reward people points, and that. And what's great about that is that you're truly rewarding your best customers. There's promotions I've seen out there where you just randomly give someone a free cycle, and I've always been big about that. If you're going to give somebody something for free, they should make a big deal out of it, and everyone around them should see that it's happening. So, you should advertise the fact that someone won something, but just a random free cycle sometimes they might not even know they got it. It just happened. So, when we issue an award, the kiosk blurts it out, you know what I mean? And it makes a sound and it puts a big splash on the screen, and we try to make a big deal out of it. And so I think anytime you're talking about giving away anything for free or anything to encourage loyalty, make sure you use it to advertise to everyone else that's not quite there yet.